What I love about manufacturing is I like working with my hands, putting things together, just seeing how it morphs from all these different little gadgets and pieces, into a switch or a pad mount gear. My favorite thing about my job is when I can mentor someone into the next role. We have team members that have never really been in manufacturing before, and we try to pair them up with somebody that's been here a long time, kind of take that scary effect out of it. The expertise and experience I have, I'm able to share it. What I value most about S&C as a company is the people I work with. People are very easygoing. Yes, you got to get the product out to the customer and everything like that, but everybody works together as a team to do that. It's not the I approach, it's the we approach. I think the culture at S&C for women is very open arms. If you want to build things, or if you're in engineering, you want to be in drafting, design, planning, supervision, management, all the opportunities are there for you. How is my day? My day differs all the time, which is nice. We work with a lot of cross-functional teams to help get the product out the door. You're going to be working with design engineers. You're going to be working with maintenance, with facilities, with tool design. Our team members rotate on jobs to keep them fresh and new. And really, that's what keeps you going, at least for myself. I don't like just the mundane, always the same. I like to be able to interact, and so do the groups with different talent that we have here at S&C.